Hey guys, I'm making a little video on doing my new JBA upper control arms. Alright, there they are. Here's the grease we're using. What the JBA guy said is you need moly fortified non-synthetic grease. So this is one of the greases you recommended in the email. So that's what I got. Gonna have to wash it first for sure, because it's pretty, not really muddy in there, but I still want all the parts to be clean so I'm not getting dirt falling in my eyes or anything like that. Get dirt all over the shop, just gotta clean it up. So let's get this thing washed and get in the shop. This is after the pre-wash. Frame looking good, coilover looking good, everything looking good. Oh, yeah, that needs to get scrubbed off. Here's the paint, lower quarter panels. Honestly clean, fuck. I'm not even gonna wash it, I'm just gonna dry it. We're gonna be using wet detailer. It's a product from Shine Supply. It's really like, it kind of like an express sealant. It's more of like a drying aid in how I use it, but it also adds a really nice gloss, helps you dry the car really quick, buffs really easy, and adds, I'd say, about 2 to 3 weeks of protection. And if you apply it consistently, like say every wash, it does hold up a little bit better. Like I do it every time I wash, but I still get flat panels, you know, like on the lower rockers, but over on the windows and the upper panels and everything like that, it still stays pretty protected. So since it's already protected pretty good, I'm just gonna mist it into the towel and we're gonna use it as a drying aid today. Oh, this shit's still going, bro. It started to rain. We gotta get through the chopper. Remote start. Sheesh. Looks pretty good under the shop lighting. Wow, this thing's kind of nice. Never mind. Shit. Ah, crap, man. What the heck? Somebody dinged my freaking door. And then don't forget about the hood. It's just fucking gone. And this fender from somebody trying to polish it. And the roof. What? It looks pretty good. It's a trail truck, motherfuckers. Sorry for cussing. My dad says I cuss too much. Maybe he's right. Alright, that was a little hard. With no spotter, I had to get out and check a bunch, but this'll do. Looks pretty center enough. I might scoot it over a little bit. Now the car's in the lift. Centered it up a little bit better. I'm gonna go get some food. I forgot to record, but we got it up on the lift. Wheels off on both sides. And we're starting over here. First thing is removing the castle nut on the upper. And then just this through bolt and the upper will pull right off. And we're just putting the new one right in. You're blocked trying to get this bolt out by this. Nice little massage all around. There you go. Give you some room. All right, it's the next day. I got the passenger sides up or out. Kind of learned take the ball joint out of the spindle before doing the through bolt. But this side, we had to take the battery cover out of the way. There's the through bolt. Just got to pull it out. Popped it out. The ball joint out first, and then everything will come out a lot smoother this side. So, yeah, that's where we're at. All right, they are installed. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard. This side was, for some reason, tighter than the other, and I couldn't fit the bushing in. Not the bushing, the washer in on that side, the inner washer. But this one I could. So hopefully it's not an issue. But yeah, they're in. Looks pretty good.